Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to cancel a Western Union transfer for refund. So let's just get straight into the video. All you need to do is simply go ahead and log in into your account. And once you've done so, simply go ahead and tap on the history. Or you could also go into the recent transaction section. Simply go ahead and select the transfer and check if it is still marked available. You can simply go ahead and tap on the edit tab on the top, or you could also simply go ahead and tap on the So you could simply go ahead and select the transfer and then click on the edit section on the top right over here. You can also simply go ahead and select a recipient cannot pick up. And this is where you can simply go ahead and select cancel and confirm it just like so. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.